What's up, boy? We're back at it again. Really not back at it again, but I'm back at it again. You know my channel. It was just gaming. Yeah, gang. Story time. This right here is my stepbrother Lonnie.
Yeah.
We're gonna get into it today with these fidget spinners. First one we got for you guys is my Broncos one. Yeah.
And I got my American one, as y'all can see. I kind of colored it.
So, yeah. Now let's get to fidget spinning.
Ready, set. Looks so cool on camera. See?
Okay, next fidget spinner for me. Rare.
And guys, this is my first one, so as you can see, it spins good. As y'all can see.
Okay. Where's that blue one at?
As you can see, that's the glitter one. And guys, so as you can see, I don't know where the hell the other. Oh, there are the other pieces. This one is fucking. This one is kind of.
You guys are gonna laugh.
I got this one from a 7-Eleven clerk from her son, and this one kind of sucks. It was supposed to light up, but doesn't.
It sucks. Let's go.
If y'all want it, this should be like $3 or something. And don't forget to subscribe.
If you live in So if you live in Pennsylvania and if you want to buy these, put it down in the comments. Give us the address. We'll send them to your address. Or
we're doing a free fidget spinner giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe, comment, and hit that like button.
So if you have a kid or some, a 3-year-old,
and he's not focusing in class,
you can use this one, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, as you can see. And guys, as you can see, we are
high schoolers.
We are high schoolers.
10th grade. Yep. I don't know about him, but I shaved my mustache. And if you guys want an extra another fidget spinning video, come tag me in my channel. Eric's Just Gaming. Mr. Don Packnotty. Silver, forget about it. Bronze, forget about it. Gold, let's get it. Peace out.
Yeah. Hasta la vista.
Baby.